Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. If you've noticed your teeth looking a little more yellow, or if you're experiencing gum irritation, it might be time for a professional teeth cleaning and tartar removal. In today's video, we'll walk you through why tartar removal is so important and how we perform this treatment here at Lema Dental Clinic. What is tartar and why is it a problem? Tartar, also known as calculus, is hardened plaque that forms onto your teeth over time. It builds up when plaque isn't removed properly through brushing and flossing. Once plaque hardens into tartar, it can only be removed by a dental professional. Tartar not only affects the appearance of your teeth, but it can also lead to serious dental issues like gum disease, tooth decay, and even bad breath. Why choose Istanbul for tartar removal? Istanbul has become a top destination for high-quality dental care due to its affordable prices, experienced professionals, and modern clinics like Lema Dental Clinic. Here in Istanbul, you can get your tartar removal treatment done at a fraction of the cost compared to many Western countries, while still receiving the highest standard of care and service. How tartar removal works at Lema Dental Clinic. We use ultrasonic scaling technology to remove tartar effectively and safely. Here's what you can expect during your treatment. Examination. We'll start by thoroughly examining your teeth and gums to assess the level of tartar buildup and check for any signs of gum disease or cavities. Ultrasonic scaling. Using an ultrasonic scaler, we gently vibrate the tartar off your teeth. This method is non-invasive, comfortable, and very effective in breaking up and removing hardened plaque from hard-to-reach areas. Polishing. After the tartar is removed, we'll polish your teeth to make them feel smooth and clean. This step also helps to remove any surface stains, leaving your teeth looking brighter. Flossing and the final check. We'll finish the treatment by flossing between your teeth to ensure all debris is removed and give you a final check to make sure your teeth and gums are in great shape. Benefits of regular teeth cleaning and tartar removal. Regular teeth cleaning and tartar removal are key to maintaining a healthy teeth and gums. Here are some of the benefits. Prevention of gum disease. Removing tartar helps prevent gingivitis and periodontitis, which can cause gum bleeding, discomfort, and even tooth loss. Brighter smile. Removing tartar and surface stains will give your smile a more polished, whiter appearance. Fresh breath. Tartar buildup can contribute to bad breath, and cleaning your teeth will leave your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Improved oral health. By regularly removing tartar, you help prevent cavities and other long-term dental issues. How often should you have your teeth cleaned and tartar removed? To maintain a healthy smile, we recommend having a professional teeth cleaning and tartar removal every 6 months. However, if you have a history of tartar buildup, gum disease, or other dental issues, we may suggest more frequent visits. Regular cleanings will help keep your teeth and gums healthy, reduce the risk of disease, and ensure your smile stays bright. At Lema Dental Clinic in Istanbul, we are dedicated to providing you with top-notch dental care, including professional teeth cleaning and tartar removal. Our goal is to help you maintain a healthy, beautiful smile for years to come. If you're ready for a fresh start with your dental health or have any questions about our services, don't hesitate to contact us or schedule a consultation. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. We look forward to seeing you at Lema Dental Clinic.